Hey guys, I am again here with a very important topic on how to record WhatsApp call, Skype call, Zoom call, and Facebook call, or whatever platforms call you want to record. So guys, this thing is really possible. So let's start to tell you how you can do it. So guys, first you have to open your Play Store app and you have to find for call recorder Cube ACR. As you are watching this icon, you will find this icon. Only go to this icon and install the app. After installing, you will have to open it. So I'm going to open it. So you are watching, this is my calls, all call details, WhatsApp call, normal calls. You will see all calls here because I have made here settings to record VoIP calls, means voice over internet protocol. So what do you have to do for setting so that you can record your call? So you have to click on the three lines in the upper left corner and click on recording. In recording you will see VoIP recording. So you are watching this, but tab is enable. By default you will find this tab is disabled, so you have to enable it because you are watching here. Allow recording VoIP calls, Skype, WhatsApp, etc. even when Cube ACR determines them unsupported on your device. So you have to enable this. I understand. So this is now enabled. So next setting you have to do is, if you are using it first time, then you will automatically be redirected into a setting of your phone where you have to do the following thing that I am going to tell you, doing it manually, because I am doing it 7 to 8 times, because that's why I am not get redirected to the page. So I will have to go there manually. So I am here clicking on setting tab. So here additional settings, accessibility, click on accessibility. In the below side you will find all the apps like Cube ACR app connector. So you will be redirected to this page after clicking on this tab. So you just have to click on Cube ACR app connector and click on this. Now it will be connected to the apps and it will record all your calls on apps. So now you can start using it. Whenever you make any call on WhatsApp, Skype, or any other platform, then you will find that it will automatically start recording. Even you can set automatic and manual recording in the app. You will find this option, so you can set this thing. So guys, I hope if this information is very useful to you. So I will meet you in my next video with some other cool information. Till then, bye bye.